water damaged Mac Mini. As soon as we power on, this Mac Mini is powered on, see, but there is light blinking, amber light blinking, and power on, no display issue, no signal. We have to open and check what is the issue in the motherboard. And this is M1 processor, onboard RAM, onboard SSD, as well as Wi-Fi cord also on board. All chips are on board, and basic voltage testing 3.8 is okay, and 1.8. This Mac Mini is now repaired. Stable light is there. See, somebody using Windows in this Mac Mini. We replaced the BIOS, and this Mac is ready now. Thank you.